Hi, today we are going to learn how to configure the BuddyPress integration add-on for CMap Routes plugin. The CMap Routes plugin can receive social features by integrating with BuddyPress. The integration allows your users to add and view map routes directly from their BuddyPress profiles. Besides the CMap Routes plugin and BuddyPress, you also need to install and activate the CMap Routes BuddyPress integration add-on. Upon installing and activating the license for it, new settings will become available. To configure the add-on, navigate to CMap's Routes Manager Pro, Settings, BuddyPress tab. It has the following options. Show Maps tab in the user's profile. If enabled, users will see the Maps tab in each user's profile that displays the routes created by the specific user. Show Routes parameters. If enabled, the routes parameters such as distance, max elevation and other will be visible on the routes snippets. Routes snippets layout. Choose how to show the routes snippets layout, as a list or as tiles. Routes featured image. Choose what to show as the routes featured image in the user's profile page, either first route image or map thumbnail. Manage routes under My Maps tab. If enabled, the user will see the Manage Maps button under the same tab map. Show separate Manage Maps tab in the user's profile. If enabled, the user will see the Manage Maps tab in his profile and will be able to edit or delete routes added by him. Create BuddyPress activity when a user created a map. Enable it if you want the add-on to automatically add a new activity post to the BuddyPress feed when the user adds a new route. Activity post template for new map. Edit the template for the activity post on the user's activity feed added after user created a new route. You can use the following shortcodes for adding dynamic content: full name to show user's display name, title to show route's title, permalink to show permalink to the route page, and excerpt to show excerpt of the route's description. Associate groups with route. If enabled, the users will be able to associate BuddyPress groups with routes. Groups privacy. Choose the privacy level for the group associated with routes. Have a note that the groups features require the user groups component to be enabled. This can be configured in BuddyPress settings, and you can add the groups under the relevant page. If the settings are proper, users will be able to set the groups when creating or editing the route. There is also a set of front-end labels related to the BuddyPress integration which you can edit. To edit them, head to the Labels tab. Scroll down to the section BuddyPress. You can find there the following labels. Configuration is done. Click the button Save to save the changes. Now let's check the result on the front end. Under the Maps tab you can see the list of created by you routes. Clicking on the button Show Map will show the map with user's routes. Click on any route to see full information about it. To see the list of created routes by another user, you need to go to his profile and click the Maps tab. To create and manage your routes, you need to get back to your profile and either click the button Manage Maps under the Maps tab or head to the Manage Maps tab. The process of adding and editing routes is the same as in the base plugin. Following instructions found in the plugin and guides, you and your users should be able to add multiple routes to your site from the BuddyPress profile. Thanks for watching the video.